How to get YouTube TV free trial. Welcome back to the channel. If you're interested in trying out YouTube TV without spending a dime, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the steps to get your free trial of YouTube TV. Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and navigate to the YouTube TV website. If you're on a mobile device, you can also download the YouTube TV app from your app store. Just search for YouTube TV and install it. On the homepage, look for the button that says try it for free. Click on this button to begin to sign up process for your free trial. YouTube TV often offers a 7-day free trial, so make sure to take advantage of it. Next, you need to sign in with your Google account. If you don't have one, you can create a new account right on the page. Just follow the prompts to enter your email address and password. Once you're logged in, you'll be prompted to enter your payment information. But don't worry, your card won't be charged until the trial period is over. Fill in your credit or debit card details and click Next. After entering your payment info, you can customize your account settings, choose your local channels, and any additional premium networks you'd like to add. This step ensures you get the most out of your YouTube TV experience. Now that your account is set up, you can start watching. YouTube TV is available on various devices like smart TVs, smartphones, tablets, and streaming devices. Enjoy your free trial and explore all the channels available to you. And that's how you can get your YouTube TV free trial. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.